Di ba? Bongga, aura ang blouse ni Madam. Lakas maka-off shoulder. Pero totoo, maluwag lang talaga yung blouse ko today. Hi guys! I'm back with a new video. Okay, so as much as possible, I will try to speak more in Tagalog. Ang dami nagsasabi sa inyo na, mag-Tagalog ko naman, you're Filipina, and stuff like that. Okay, gagawin ko na. Okay? So, today, I'm going to be doing a product review for Avon Men's Clarifying Scrub Cleanser Oil Control. This is not available in the Philippines. I'm thankful that this is not available in the Philippines for men and for girls kasi I know there are some occurrences, especially kung kasama mo yung boyfriend mo or syempre kasama mo sa bahay, asawa mo, you run out of your cleanser, so you use their cleanser. I've heard madami. Okay. Like, ako nagawa ko na siya before with my brother's cleansers na nanghihingi ako na, kuya pahingi, naubusan ako just for today. You know, one time occurrence lang. This one was given to me by my friend's mother last Christmas. Ay, no, before Christmas. Binigay siya sa akin. Of course, thankful ako sa friend ng mama ko kasi naalala niya na hindi lang pala nanay ko yung narigaluhin niya, kundi kasama ako sa package. So, but when I got this, it actually had my name, like, may scotch tape siya. Ay, may scotch tape, masking tape. Sa nakalagay yung pangalan ko. I was like, nung hinarap ko siya, sabi ko, oh. Kasi Avon Men. So, parang nakalimutan ata nung kaibigan ng nanay ko na babae ako. Masakit yun, Mesh. Masakit yun. But, I'm going to let it slide kasi nga, friend ni mama. Tapos, binigay lang sa akin. So, diba? Okay. So, this has 5-in-1 multivitamin skin balance. Yung skin balance, yung 5-in-1 na sinasabi niya is reduces oil buildup. Ang liit ng sulat. Tapos, naka-silver pa yung font. Yung kulay. Kainis. Revitalizes tired skin. Minimizes look of pores. Non-drying and refreshes. Out of the 5, I can only say that only 2 or 2.5 ang okay. Okay. Ang okay. Ang really nakita ko sa skin ko. Those were in order. Wow. Refreshes, revitalizes tired skin, and yung 50-50 yung reduces oil buildup. Kasi with the work environment that I have now, yung sa bakery, mainit sa bakery. Tapos, malapit pa ako sa main road. So, yung pollution, day-to-day basis ang interaction ko sa pollution. So, I really need something na mapapa-refresh yung balat ko at the end of the day. So, by the next morning, mukhang fresh ang lola nyo. This one, ginagamit ko to every other day. Kasi it's a scrub. So, even if it's a cleanser scrub or scrub cleanser, hindi pa rin maganda na everyday ka gumagamit ng scrub. Kasi, the more you scrub away your skin, mas lalong nagiging sensitive yung balat. Okay? Sana maintindihan nyo yun. So, ito, from last month, December, up until now, so, I'm filming this January, baka isipin nyo, ini-etchos ko lang kayo. From December up until January, iba yung feel sa skin ko. Nung first 2 weeks ko siyang ginamit, everyday. I swear to you guys, everyday. Tapos, napansin ko, something's off. Kasi, after cleansing my face, syempre magto-toner ako, tapos mag-moisturizer, ay magsi-serum, mag-essence, mag-serum, moisturizer, and then UV or sunblock or CP Defend. Ang dami ko alam. Yun. Oh my God, guys. Nag-break out ako for 2 weeks and it was unbearable. Kasi talagang dig. Alam mo yun, parang sunod-sunod siya. Every day, may bago. So, sabi ko, bakit ganun? Hindi naman ganito yung balat ko, diba? Tapos, tinigil ko siya. Yung after nung 2 weeks na yun, sabi ko, baka yung cleanser yun? Kasi yung ginagamit ko na essence, na serum, na UV cream, and moisturizer, they're all tried and tested. I've been using them for so many times and so many months. Alam kong hindi sila yung culprit. So, sabi ko, ito yung may kasalanan. Yun na. I just said, okay, let's use this every other day. Kasi nga, sa environment ng trabaho ko, kailangan nagsiscrub ako every other day. Or at least every 2 days. Magka-cleanse ako, magsiscrub ako. Kasi, yung oil buildup and yung pollution sa mukha ko, my God guys, pimples talaga yung aabutin mo. Eh, dito na. It says here, it's oil control. I do not believe a single thing about the oil control properties. 50-50 talaga. Kasi I have oily combination skin. Acne prone pa ako. So, I really need a product na mukhang fresh yung lola nyo throughout the day. And if you can see from my vlogs, yung latest vlogs ko for 2018, guys, naka-makeup na ako noon. Mukha akong walang makeup. Alam mo yun? Which is nice and good in a way. Pero ibig sabihin na nahulas kagad yung makeup ko. Kasi one of the basic principles para sa akin is, if you have a great cleanser, you have a great base. Great base equals great makeup application. Great makeup application means longevity ng makeup mo for the day. So, you really need to take care of your skin. And you need to have great products. But this one didn't work out for me. Maybe, the reason why hindi siya gumana sa akin kasi panlalaki siya. That's one factor. Number 2, this is not fit for Asian skin. I'm Asian. I'm Filipino. Malamang sa malamang. Okay, this came from, I think, the United States. This did not work out for me. And I'm so pissed off. Kasi bakit ganon? Pag Western, pag galing US, hindi gumagana sa balat ko. Most of the time. So, yun lang. I don't know how much this is worth. Hindi ko na-research yung part na yun. Kasi nga, binigay lang to sa akin eh. So, I don't really have any intentions of repurchasing it. The size actually is really good. Kasi, lalo na for guys, matagal silang makaubos ng product. So, ito tatagal to sa lalaki. Like, ako, ang ginamit ko lang, isang ganito. Ayan, kung nakita nyo yan, ganyan kadami lang. And then, that's for the whole face. At bumubula naman siya. Tapos, andun yung, pero yung bula niya, hindi yung parang naglagay ka ng safeguard sa mukha, tapos bumula. No, it's little foams lang. Tapos, ayun yung cooling sensation na I really like. That's the only thing I like about this, is yung cooling sensation. Kasi it revitalizes the skin, it refreshes the skin. Really, really amazing. I am just so disappointed. Alam mo yun, I'm not bashing Avon for their products. Like, this is, I think, the second product review I did of Avon product. Avon skincare that did not work out for me. But I'm not saying na hindi siya gagana sa inyo. You guys have all the right to try Avon products for yourselves and for your loved ones. But for me, I'm just really disappointed. Kasi nga, parang hindi siya gumana sa akin. I was hoping this will work. Kasi ang dami pa niya. So, parang sabi ko, ang tagal nito bago maubos. So, I think I might just give it out. Give this to my godbrother or sa kuya ko. Sabihin ko, ubusin nyo na lang. Kasi, hindi siya nag-workout sa akin. Alam mo yun? It's not worth putting my skin on the line if it doesn't work for me. It does revitalize the skin, but I can find other products that can do that for me in the Philippines. Alam mo yun, I can do a face mask, so it can revitalize my skin and make me feel fresh. Pero, no. I'm just really sad. Kasi nga, galing ibang bansa. So, parang, sana gumana ka sa akin kahit panlalaki ka, diba? Did not work for me. Like, at all. And I'm so disappointed. Lalo na yung nag-breakout ako. Doon ako na-disappoint. Parang, again, this is the second time, Avon. But, I won't stop. I will try other Avon skincare products. malay nyo, may gumana sa akin, di ba? For the first time and forever, merong gumana. I just hope this is gonna be the last. Yun lang. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. I know it's a downer. I would really like this product, but it didn't work out for me. Okay, I just love that it refreshed my skin and revitalized it, but it broke me out. Okay, it broke me out really bad, and sana sa mga lalaki gumana to. But yeah, but with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button for other videos that I will be posting in the future. I'll be posting more. So if you guys notice, I already have a schedule for video uploads for this channel. So every Monday, I have a new video. So usually it's around 3 to 4 in the afternoon. Usually I schedule it at around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you guys can check it out. With that being said, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more new videos. Follow me on my social media networking accounts on the description box. You can check it out. And with that being said, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah.